I made it to Tulum. VagaBondVito. I don't know how much sunlight I'm gonna get because I kind of got here late on my ATV. They call me Vito D.
If you want to know how I'm able to travel the world and run my business remotely, earning thousands of dollars every single week, only working 1 to 3 hours a day, hit the link in my bio or go to bigticketbiz.com and check out the video explaining exactly how I got started.
Yeah, I'm not in the Tuluminati, I'm more in the Tuluminati. Kind of cliche. Now I think I know why people always say Tulum's a vibe, because it definitely is. Facts. Facts don't care about your feelings, and neither do I. You don't mind I film the Mexican standoff, do you? Is that my fault? I don't think so. Hey, they got it, I get it. Sun's finally shining, baby. Okay, that's enough for today. VagaBondVito.